Welcome to this PowerPoint tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through creating a custom shape using simple tools in PowerPoint. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to replicate this beautiful design on your own. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll be using metric units. Your units might differ depending on your system's regional settings, but don't worry, I'll provide a conversion table so you can easily follow along. Step 1. Let's create the base shape first. Insert a block arc shape. Set its height and width to 23 centimeters and position it in the center of the slide. Tip: go to the View menu and enable grid lines to help align objects perfectly. Then remove the shape's outline. Select the shape, go to Shape Format, click Shape Outline, and choose No Outline. We'll apply this setting to all shapes in this tutorial. To divide the main shape, we'll add a few lines for guidance. Go to Insert, select Shapes, and pick Line. Move your mouse to the bottom center of the block arc. PowerPoint will help you find the center. Click and drag upwards while holding Shift to ensure the line stays vertical. Duplicate this line twice for a total of 3 lines. Rotate the 2 additional lines to 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees, respectively. Select a line, go to Shape Format, under the Arrange group click Rotate, then select More rotation options. Enter 45 for one line and minus 45 for the other. Align both rotated lines with the center of the first vertical line. Since the lines may obstruct your view of the block arc, let's make the block arc more transparent. Select the block arc and set its transparency to 30% for better visibility of the lines. To divide the block arc into 4 sections, we'll use custom shapes, as lines aren't recognized in PowerPoint's Merge Shapes tool. Select the Freeform Shape tool from the Shapes menu to manually draw 2 sections. Ensure each shape is a closed shape by connecting the last point to the first point. The fill will confirm it's closed. Start from the center, where the 3 lines intersect for accuracy. If you make a mistake, simply press Escape, delete the shape, and try again. Now that we've drawn the shapes, we no longer need the guidelines. Open the selection pane under Shape Format. Hide or delete the 3 lines by selecting each straight connector from the list. Select all the shapes by pressing Ctrl+A. Go to Shape Format, choose Merge Shapes, and select Fragment. This breaks the shapes into separate pieces. You'll notice that the selection pane shows more than 4 pieces because of slight misalignments. Don't worry, we'll clean this up. Rename the main shape pieces in the selection pane to avoid deleting them by mistake. Select all the unnecessary fragments and delete them. Hold Ctrl while selecting multiple pieces. Press Delete when done. If you see gaps between the shapes, simply move them closer using the arrow keys or the mouse. Now, let's add more complexity to our design. Insert 3 circles and a square. Follow the dimensions I show on screen. As always, remove the outlines and set the transparency to 30% for these shapes. Rotate and position the objects as seen in the video. Select the first shape, then the second, and finally the third. Apply the subtract operation. Remember, the order of selection matters. If you're unsure how this works, refer to my earlier video. Now, select the 4th object and apply the union operation. Once done, move the new shape into place and make 2 copies of it. Rotate them to 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees, and position them accordingly. Finally, use the union operation again to merge each shape with its respective parent object. Feel free to apply different colors to the pieces to give your puzzle a vibrant look. And there you have it, a custom PowerPoint shape design. And that's it. You've now created a custom puzzle-like shape using PowerPoint. This technique allows for endless creativity and can be applied to various designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.